Hey Billy, how are you? My name is Leo Rona from Rona Marketing. I actually spoke with Lisa today about getting this video sent over to you. It's just basically some tips that you can actually do in-house yourself to bring in more business using your website and or your Google business profile. If you need any help past that, please feel free to reach out to me. But I definitely would love some feedback from this video. As you can see right here, I got litespeedconstruction.com pulled up. This is your website. Right off the bat, not a bad website. I like your photos that you got in here. I like that you're taking advantage of these videos on your website. You got your reviews on here. Certificates, that's great. That shows the trust forefront and center. I mean, just overall, not a bad website at all. If I was to make any suggestions, my biggest suggestion would be to add more content because Google loves content. And what happens is 24/7, Google sends these bots out to crawl these sites. When the bots crawl these sites, they're looking for specific words and words behind photos. So you want to make sure that these crawlers understand what your site is and what your site does. You know, you've got roofing throughout this whole website, so the bots definitely will understand that it is a roofing site, but they need to know where. So you want to have a minimal of 1,500 words of command content on this homepage, and throughout the content you want to add buyer intent keywords. And by that I mean buyer intent keyword is just a phrase or word that the general public is searching. So roofing, Knoxville, Tennessee, roof repair, Knoxville, Tennessee, roof repair, Nashville, Chattanooga, wherever you do these services at, you need to have the service that you provide and then the city that you provide that service in. So that's going to tell the Google bots that you are a roofing company in Knoxville. So anytime someone in Knoxville searches roofing companies, you've got that throughout your content and you're going to get pinged and pushed up to the front for that. Now, I like how you got the click to call and the form submit up here at the top. Most people are searching on their cell phones. So having this click to call up here at the top is a great way to convert traffic. And this day, you know, some people are shy and they don't really want to make the phone call. So having a form submit is a great idea. Now, what we got here is your website put into a tool I use called Ahrefs. And what it's going to do is going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now, this is your UR, this is your DR. This simply means this is the trust that your website has with Google, and this is the strength. So the strength and trust that your website has with Google is very important because that also is going to help factor the rankings. The more they trust you, the more they're going to put people in front of your website to give you a call, turn those into clients. Now you've got 25 and 7, and that is out of 100. So you want to make sure these are balanced and moving up continuously. And then for backlinks, you got over 1,000, 1,270. And a backlink is really the backbone of the whole operation. The backlinks are going to power your strength and trust, and they're going to power those words that come into your website that's being searched. So it's very important to have high quality backlinks. Your backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text, but you got to be careful with them because not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them are spammy and some is more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that are more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. Now, you are being indexed for 1,300 organic keywords that they're being found for on your website. So I want to go through these, kind of show you some good ones that you have on here and a good example of a keyword phrase. So roofing company, Knoxville, Tennessee. That is a keyword phrase that 500 people are searching this phrase each month. Right now, you're currently in position 15. And this keyword on your website is driving 5 people to your site a month. So you're getting 5 out of the 500. So about 2.5%. Not a big percentage of it, but you're getting some links off of it. So Again, by adding more backlinks and a more structured site, it will help you bring in more business. Knoxville, Tennessee roofer. There's 400 people searching this a month, and it's an 8 keyword difficulty. And keyword difficulty is out of 100. The higher it is, the harder it is to rank for. The lower, the better. Roof repair Knoxville is a KD of 8, and it's to get 150 a month. You're in position 12, and you're getting 2. So on par for that. Now, the way I found you was right here. I see that you're paying for ads, which is a great way to get business quickly. But of course, once you stop paying for those ads, then you're getting ripped off the front page. So it's very important for you to rank organically. Now, down here is your map pack. These are for the top 3. For this specific keyword, you're not ranking in the top 3, but you are on the first page of the maps. So that's really good. Some things you could actually do is to keep adding those reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number is the exact same all across the internet, because you don't want to mislead Google. Make sure you get the 750 character About Us section at the bottom filled out, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Then you can add geotags and geolocated photos weekly. That's really going to show your service areas and tell Google where you're doing work at. And then by adding citations, and if you're unfamiliar with citations, it's just your business name, address, and phone number in a directory. So say you go to Yellow Pages and put in your company's name, address, and phone number, then you have one citation through Yellow Pages. So you want to get as many citations as possible, because it's just a popularity contest, honestly, with giving out your information to as many directories as possible. What it's going to do is start to make Google trust you more, and it'll boost your business, not only in your area, but that also trickles out into the surrounding areas as well. It's going to help you be found in more locations. So being in the Google Map Pack is going to give you about 30 to 40% of your search volume that goes to your website, and then gives you a call from there. Now, this is your organics down here. This is very important, because this is where 60 to 70% of your search volume is going to come from. And this is your number 1 competitor in the organics. So Barnett Roofing, as you can see, their website, they don't have a lot of content. So by implementing and having more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank them while adding those backlinks and other things we talked about too, the keywords, content, backlinks. Now, I wanted to show you this real quick. These are all the keywords, not all of them, but a good portion of the keywords that can go into your content. And you do have some of these. Roofing company, Knoxville, Tennessee. There's 500 searches for this word phrase alone each month. So that's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4. There's about 5,000 search volume for all these. Roofer in Knoxville, 5 KD, 90 search. Roof cleaning, let's see, Knoxville roofing, another 100. But the big money makers are up here. Roofing companies in Knoxville, Tennessee, 500. That's 1,000 searches a month just between these 2 keywords. Make sure you get these in your content. And again, there's other things that you can do to start powering these keywords, and it's really going to start pushing you towards the top. So as you see, there's a decent amount of volume here. I hope you enjoy this video. Once you start ranking for these keywords, a big percentage of that total volume is going to go to your website, and then a percentage of that's going to give you a call. And then depending on you guys' close rate, you can turn them into a customer. So I hope this video was helpful and informative to you. My name is Leo Arona, again from Arona Marketing, and I'd love to hear any kind of feedback possible about this video I made for you. And I hope you have a great day.